Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about regular verbs. So let's start. We use a special form of a doing words to talk about an action that happened before now. We usually add ed to a doing word. Here we can talk about an action which is already happened. That means the past one, okay, which you already done. For example, you watered the plant yesterday, you did outdoor trip yesterday. So the action done in the past, in that action words you have to add ed in the last. Okay, now we'll see the example. I watered the plants in our garden yesterday. Here you can see water. Here they have add ed in the last. So this word become watered. Okay, the plant in our garden yesterday. So watered, that means a action word. Okay, so in the action word they add ed, and this one is already happened yesterday. That means in the past. So understood, students, how you can add ed in the action word? Now we'll see some more points. Now let's see. For our doing words or action words ending with a vowel, we add only d to show that the action happened before now. Now in this you can see vowels. First of all, you already know the vowels a, e, I, o, u. So if you find in any action word any verb ended with the vowel, like here bake, like, you can see here e is the vowel. So after e means after vowel you should add only and only d. You should not supposed to add ed, because here already vowel is present. Okay, so like this, these kind of words you should add only and only d if you can find in any action word and with the vowel. Now we'll see some examples. Mother baked a cake last Saturday. Now here you can see bake. What is the spelling of bake? B-A-K-E. Bake. Now here e, here in the bake e is the last word, last letter, sorry. So e is the vowel. So here we can add only d in the last. So it will become baked. Some more examples like L-I-K-E, like. E is the letter and that it comes in vowel. So we can add only D. So it becomes liked. Now closed, closed. Care, cared. Change, changed. Now we'll move to the next. For a doing word ending with a consonants, we add ed. Now you can see in action word, if you find any consonants in the last one, last letter, if it is consonant, then you should add ed only, as earlier I told you. Okay, let's see some examples. The students enjoyed the visit to the museum yesterday. Now enjoy. Okay, now y is the consonant, so here in the end of that word we can add ed. Okay, ask, asked. Call, called. Push, pushed. Want, wanted. Now we'll move to the next. For a doing word ending with consonants plus y, we replace y with I and then add ed. Now here you can see, if any action word is ended with y, then in place of y you should write I and ed. So it become IED. Okay. Now we'll see the example. The baby cried loudly. Now here you can see the cry spelling CRY. So here is the word, the letter is the word is ended with letter Y. Okay. So in place of Y I can add IED. So it becomes cried loudly. Okay. Now we'll see some more examples. TRY, you can see here it is also ended with Y letter. So in place of Y I can write IED. So it becomes tried. Same as it is carry, carried, marry, married, apply, applied. Okay, understood? Now we'll move to the next point. For example, for some doing words ending with consonants, vowels, consonant, we first double the last consonant and then add ed. Now you can see here very neat and properly. I'll show you some examples. The fielder dropped the catch. Now you can see the drop spelling, DROP. Now you can see last two letters. The first letter is O. Last first letter is O. Okay, O is vowel, and here the last letter is P. That means vowel and consonant. Okay, so if you find any action word like this which ends with vowel and consonant both, then in that place you can add at the last, you should repeat the last letter first, P, because the last letter is P, and then at last you can add ed. So it will become dropped. I'll show you some more example. Now you can see here PLAN, plan. Okay, now you can see A is a vowel and N is a consonant. So vowel and consonants. Now what you do? The last letter is consonant, है ना? So you repeat that letter again, the consonant letter again. That means N again you have to write. Okay, and after repeating N, you add ed. Then you now what the spelling now? PLAN, plan, and you repeat the consonant again. That means NED. So it becomes planned. Okay. Now spot, spotted, trot, trotted, rap, wrapped. Understood? Now we'll move to the next point. Some doing words change their spellings completely. Okay, I'll show you some examples, like we ate sandwiches for breakfast today. Here the doing word eat, yes, the doing word is, actual word is eat. We change eat to ate. Okay, now ate is the past tense, which already we have changed eat to ate. Okay, now you can see bring, brought, catch, caught, drink, drank, go, went. Okay, so in these do action words we change the spelling completely, bring and brought. So here you can see the spelling is totally changed. So guys, I hope you can understand how to use regular verbs. Thank you.